Hey everybody, you're not going to believe where we are. We're in Raleigh, North Carolina. We're at a friend of ours. It's his business. I just want y'all to look around me and see what's in here. And then you'll understand why I'm smiling. I mean, look at this. Look at this space in here. You've got Christmas everywhere. And this is what makes me happy. This is what makes Eric happy. But this is also where we are headed. Because it is July. And it's Christmas in July, guys. It's Christmas in July. We're here at the Lighted Up Expo. And this is one of the setups that we'll get to look at this week. Talking about marketing and business and all that fun stuff. But does this not make you happy? I mean, how can you not be happy in a room full of Christmas and lights and ambiance? It just literally takes your stress levels down 10 notches when you come in here. I mean, is that not the truth, Mr. Jones?
It is the truth. I absolutely love it. And we actually bought some of these spheres last year and did, I can't tell you how many. So if you're wanting spheres this year for Christmas, you better get on our list. But we did a ton of these for Old Town Club Golf Course.
I also love the fact that there's picks for trees, for anything that you decorate, and you have picks in. He's got walls of this and several walls over there. We've got ornaments and all that stuff. All your different color lights. I love the fact that they sell picks, and you can pick out whatever you want to decorate the top of the tree. You've got the different types of lighting, the lighting material, the casings. There's just all kinds of stuff here. People don't really understand just how complicated Christmas lighting can be. It's not as simple as going to Lowe's and picking out a box of lights. Yes, you can make it that simple, but you can also make it as professional as you want it to be. So we're at the right place for all of our commercial clients. Even for our residential, we have products available for residents, homeowners as well. But this is kind of cool. Look at it.
So as you can see, everything is bought, wholesale on the reels. We mount these on the trucks. You pull them off, put in the different bulbs. You got your ground stakes, your different all-in-one clips, everything to make your own extension cords. So it's done right, guys, 100%. Miss Jones is walking around. Here's your favorite outfits to wear if you want to come and show them this.
What's that? Oh, you're talking about
the shorts.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. I thought he was talking about my shirt. No, guys, I was talking about these on the radio the other day. These are gripper shorts. I mean, look.
You have to try a pair on, baby.
You put them on over your pants, and they literally grip to the roof line. So there's no slipping and sliding.
When you're up putting roof lights up.
It's really cool. They even have, like, shoes. Like, you can slip these onto your shoes. It's just so many things that we will be able to offer you guys from Eric and Jennifer Jones. These are the wedges I was even talking about on the radio the other day for the roof lines. So it's pretty awesome. I'm excited. I'm excited to learn all about this stuff this week.
Look at that C9 wall.
I know. Isn't that cool?
But all the different timers, the different cords.
It's just absolutely beautiful in here. And it's not just about the Christmas lights themselves. They also have decor options. So different offerings for different people.
The different mini lights, different colors.
You can say whatever you want, but lights bring happiness. It just does. There's just something about a light. And we won't make that as religious or as spiritual as I could really take it, guys. But there's something about bringing lightness into a dark room and bringing happiness with it. So we will work on
something that's catching my attention over here, but is the birth of
what
Jesus.
I was talking about.
Yeah, I would love at Jones Strawberry Farm to be able to do a live manger scene. That has always been my dream.
So, guys, we just wanted to show y'all what are the Joneses up to. We're up to lots of things, but mainly Christmas in July is what we're focusing on at Elite Landscape with Eric and Jennifer, turf teacher. We're going to be working with commercial and residential clients, getting them back on the books, getting schedules. If you're interested in getting your home lighted or decorated for Christmas, give us a call. We'll talk to you and we'll see what we can do for you.
Yeah.
If you're a commercial property, same goes for you too.
That's right. And with commercial, you need to jump on it really, really quick because we're going to book up and we're going to sell out. And Jennifer's going to have all of the letters, the new proposals out next week since we're here at Lighted Up 2025 in Raleigh, North Carolina. Here with our good friend Jimmy Tompkins with Lights for Decorators. But the latest trend, guys, has been these spheres. Like I said, we did several at Old Town Club last year. But look at the different sizes that they have of those. And we can mount them as high as you want with the aerial lift that we have. And for your 4th of July and then your Halloween decorations, Halloween being the second most decorated.
I love the nutcrackers. They're pretty cool.
Yeah.
But there's just nothing like a Christmas nutcracker.
No.
Like the ones behind you.
Yeah, right there. So.
This whole setup right here with the house reminds me of the Dixie Stampede. Remember?
Yeah.
At the Dixie Stampede, the big 2-story white colonial house that they would do the Christmas angel scene from. It's very pretty.
And guys, this is their training platform that they do here. And as you can see, they have the Omni permanent lighting there, which we are going to get certified mid-September. We're going to the 2-day training for that. And with those, you can make it any color that you want. So for every holiday, you know, turn them green for St. Patty's Day. Turn them the pastel colors for Easter. Purple and orange for Halloween.
All right, guys, stay tuned.
We got 2 full days of good educational seminars. If you're in the holiday lighting business, you need to be here. And I have found the bows that we need for our pole mounts.
They're gorgeous. Great quality.
This is a bow that's made. Tell them what it's made of, sweetie.
It's a canvas bow, and I forget the type of canvas he called it. But
It's like outdoor furniture.
It is. It's made with the same fabric outdoor furniture is made, so they don't fade.
And you're looking about just under $50 for that bow. So.
And you can only get those through Eric and I, okay? So give us a call. We'll take care of you.
But I love it. It's time for some good food now. We're going to be hanging out at the Angus Barn all day tomorrow and all day Friday.
See these picks? These are the picks that you put in tops of trees and throughout the tree. Gives it that beautiful oomph effect to it. But yeah, I love it.
Join us.
So it's not just about the lights. It's about the trees too.
That's right. Join us weekday mornings, guys, 8 to 9 on Turf's Up Radio. As you can see, we got a big commercial for Kubota that we're playing. We got a big commercial that we're playing for, oh my gosh, the vendors are coming in.
I know.
Left and
I'm
right.
excited. I'm excited, guys.
So.
We are blowing it up at Turf's Up Radio. So if you want to know what's going on, find us at turfsupradio.com. Every Monday through Friday morning at 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., Eric and I host a show called Keeping Up with the Joneses. And every Monday night, Eric and I have continued our Boots on Ground show at 8 p.m. on Monday night. So follow us. Keep up with us. We're happy to share.
Like I said, guys, tomorrow we're going to go live multitude of times tomorrow. We got people like Ryan Lee coming in for this expo. We've got Dan Pallotta coming. So it's about time to go to Angus Barn.
Yeah, we got to go. We got to
right.
head on out. So have a great night, everybody. Stay tuned.
See
Watch
you
us
guys
on Facebook.
Bye-bye.